Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Titan. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have about 6 to 7 quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your truck on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for about 20 minutes before starting. Now, let's drain the old oil. Get under your Nissan Titan and locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old engine oil completely drain into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's secure but not over-tightened. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform some final checks. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine and carefully pour in about 6 to 7 quarts of the recommended new engine oil. Use your dipstick to check the level, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks and ensure the oil level is correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.